Two stunning birds, one beauty battle. Who reigns supreme? Flamingo versus peacock. Let's find out. The flamingo, elegant, poised, and effortlessly stylish. Did you know? Their pink color comes from their diet. The more they eat shrimp, the brighter they become. And that one-legged stance? It's not just for show, it actually saves energy. Now, meet the peacock, nature's most extravagant show-off. With 150 dazzling feathers, it puts on a light show no other bird can match. And that hypnotic dance? It's a powerful love signal. Only the strongest males get to impress the ladies. One is a symbol of grace and stuns with elegance. The other a symbol of royalty and amazed with drama. So who wins the beauty battle? The flamingo's effortless charm or the peacock's dazzling display? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature's wonders.